So this is another requested video. I can't remember your name, but I'll put an annotation on the screen who requested it. So you said you were interested in these, so you asked me to vacuum up a large mess of party related items. So basically what I've got is hair wrappers, some paper, so just various bits. So this is the HVR 200A2 model. I cannot speak today. They don't do these anymore, but you might be able to get them online still, new, but I don't know. But basically all that's different is, if I remember right, it's 610 watt motor on the new ones, and ow, I just got a pain in my leg. So instead of this being a light when you plug it in, it's the new high-low switch. So, but I'll show you how full the bag is. It isn't that full, but so. You just have to bear with me while I get this plugged in, because my socket, it sounds a bit wrong, moving swiftly on, is stupidly in the corner over here. So I'm not going to bother using the floor tool, I pronounced that weird, but I'm just going to use that. So that's the floor tool if you want. You know, referring to the stainless steel extension ones as that isn't very good, is it? But I mean, I really do recommend you get one of these. Excuse me while I do this. Yeah, so I never actually tried on this big a mess before, but everybody will get to see it for the first time. First time for everything, isn't they? Well, that's that. If you want any more videos, just feel free to request them. I'll most likely do them. But yeah, that is that. Right there. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I really cannot speak today, can I?